You type a web address and hit enter. It feels instant, but in that split second, a whole hidden journey happens. Your browser, a global directory, a distant server, and a secure handshake all work together to bring that page to your screen. Let's trace that journey step by step. It starts with your browser. Think of it as a messenger. The moment you hit enter, it packages up your request and sends it out to find the website you are looking for. But first, it needs an address to send it to. That request first stops at something called DNS, the domain name system. Think of it as the internet's phone book. You know a website by its name, like preptor.com, but computers actually talk to each other using numbers called IP addresses. DNS looks up the name and hands back the right number. This lookup can bounce between a few different servers behind the scenes, but all of that usually happens in a fraction of a second. By the time you would notice anything, your browser already has the address it needs. With that address in hand, your request travels to the server, the computer where the website actually lives. A server is really just a powerful computer that's always on, always listening, waiting for requests like yours to come in. When your browser and the server talk, they use a shared language called HTTP. Its secure version, HTTPS, wraps that same conversation in an encrypted, locked envelope so nobody in between can read or tamper with what's being sent. That little padlock in your browser bar means this handshake happened. The server finds what you asked for, the page's structure, styling, images, and code, and sends it back the way it came. This return trip carries everything your browser needs to actually build the page you will see. Once that package arrives, your browser gets to work. HTML gives the page a structure. CSS makes it look good. And JavaScript brings it to life with interactivity. Put together, that's the finished page loading in front of you. Browser, DNS, server, a secure handshake, and a rendered page. That's the entire journey behind every website you visit. And it happens in less time than it takes to blink. Now that you know how a single request makes its way around the web, let's look at what's actually waiting on the other end. Because not every website works the same way. Next up, websites versus web applications.